We made it so easy a salesman could do it.
We made it so easy a salesman can do it. So, one of the things we used to have to do is we used to have to lift the lid to replace the filter. Homeowners were breaking it. They were breaking the lids. Made a lot of people mad about our product. Look how easy it is to replace the filter now, to wash the filter down. So we no longer have to open that door. Now this is on the mid-tier, Performance Preferred. We have an electronic eye here. What that electronic eye does is it tells you if anybody's in the room. If not, we'll go into an unoccupied mode to save the homeowner some money. Our older style unit, it came up at a 45. People broke the door because they were trying to get it up at a 90. We now have it at a 90. I was one of those people that broke the door. So now it comes up at a 90. This is a little bit taller than I'm used to. So we have a clip here and a clip here. And then we're gonna, and this is easy. And then I'm gonna have to take one screw off. And the reason I have to take that screw off is underneath that screw is electric. And UL says if you have any kind of electric, you gotta have a screw. Okay, so I take that screw off. I pull this off. This used to be on the side, and when it was on the side, it was really hard to get to the electrical. We put everything on the front. We put 3 polarized plugs on here that you really can't get wrong because they're color coded and they'll only fit there. Pull the drain unit down. Got a clip here and a clip here. 1 screw, 4 clips. Is that pretty easy?